Hey fellow BMW owners, Dan here. If your BMW feels sluggish or shifts roughly, you're not alone. It's a common issue as the car adapts to your driving style. The fix? A transmission reset, which clears out old habits and restores smooth performance. Today, I'll show you 3 proven ways to reset your Beamer transmission. Grab your key fob and let's get started. First up, we have the pedal method. To begin, settle into your car, close the door to minimize distractions, and ensure the engine is completely off. This is crucial for the reset to work correctly. With your key fob inside the vehicle, press the start, stop button once, or turn the key to on position. Make sure you don't touch the brake pedal, as we only want to turn on the car's electronic system. Now, here's the key step. Press the gas pedal firmly, pushing it all the way down to the floor. Make sure you go past the kickdown switch. Once you've hit the floor, maintain that pressure and hold the pedal down for a full 30 seconds. Patience is key here. While still steadfastly holding the gas pedal down, press the start, stop button, or turn key once more to turn all the electronics off. Now, release the gas pedal completely, and then wait patiently for 2 minutes without touching anything inside the car. This waiting period is essential, as it gives the transmission control unit the necessary time to fully reset its adaptive memory. After the 2 minutes have passed, go ahead and start your car as you normally would, and then take it out for a drive. As you drive, you should immediately notice smoother and more refined gear shifts. It's a simple, quick, and surprisingly effective method to improve your BMW's performance. If method 1 didn't do the TCM system reset, then consider the battery disconnect method. This approach goes beyond simply clearing adaptations. It allows for a complete power cycle of your BMW's electronic systems. First, open your trunk. In most BMW models, you'll find the battery neatly tucked away under the floor panel. Locate the battery compartment. It's usually on either the left or right side. Grab a 10mm wrench. Now, carefully loosen the nut on the black negative terminal. Make sure you have a good grip to avoid slippage. With the nut loosened, gently remove the negative terminal cable from the battery post. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect the negative terminal before the positive. Now, the crucial part. Patience. Wait for a solid 15-30 minutes. This allows all the electronic control units, or modules, to fully discharge and completely reset their stored data. After the waiting period, reconnect the negative terminal to the battery post. Tighten the nut securely, ensuring a firm connection. A loose connection can cause issues down the road. Go ahead and start your car. Unlike some other reset methods, this one resets all of your BMW's electronic modules, offering a comprehensive system-wide refresh, not just focusing on the transmission. For a more targeted and precise reset, especially if you're comfortable with automotive technology, consider using an OBD scanner or manually pulling the transmission fuse. These methods offer a more controlled approach. Let's explore both options. With an OBD tool, plug it into the diagnostic port, which is typically located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Once connected, turn on the ignition to power up the scanner, and then navigate through the menu to find the transmission module. Look for an option like Reset Adaptations, Clear Learned Values, or something similar. Then, carefully follow the on-screen prompts to clear the transmission's stored memory. If you don't have a scanner, don't worry. You can manually reset the transmission by locating the fuse for the transmission control module, often labeled as EGS or TCU, using your car's fuse diagram. Ensure the car is completely off. Then use a fuse puller to carefully remove the correct fuse from the fuse box. Once removed, wait for a sufficient amount of time, typically around 10 to 15 minutes, to allow the module to fully reset. After waiting, firmly reinsert the fuse back into its original slot in the fuse box. This method specifically targets the transmission module, resetting its adaptations while leaving other vehicle settings untouched. Both of these methods are precise and effective options for tech-savvy owners looking to reset their transmission adaptations. Always double-check fuse locations using your car's manual to prevent any accidental mistakes. Choose the method that best fits your comfort level and available tools.